So in this video, my lawnmower backfired on me and it turns out the spark plug was bad. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it and got a new one. So all was good and well the other day. I was mowing up some pine needles in preparation for winter, and the lawnmower engine had a loud popping sound, not unlike a gunshot, and that's it. It wouldn't turn on, it wouldn't fire back up. So I went over here and I suspected that maybe it was the spark plug. So I popped that plug right there, and there it is, the spark plug. So I'm going to show you how to get this out of here and get it switched up and changed out so it's good and new. So to get your spark plug out of your lawnmower, you need the right tool. And so I'm fast forwarding a little bit. I've already got this out. I'll go back and show you how I did it. But basically you need a deep socket there to fit down into the top of the spark plug. Just like that. And we're basically gonna loosen it up once we find the right socket there. And your socket size might be different from mine. I think I'm with a 13/16 inch. Anyway, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this channel with somebody. I do lots of home projects around the house. And there we go. So we're gonna get it loose enough, and then we can back it out by hand. And check this out. The spark plug looks pretty fried. Look at all that black char at the end. That doesn't look right. So that's what I suspect the issue is, why my mower stopped working and wouldn't fire back up. So now to get a new one here, you should on your spark plug, the old one, have some numbers, a series of numbers. So I just went online and got this replacement. It was here in a couple of days, and you can of course do that online or go to your local store, Napa store or something. And I'll put links down in the description below for maybe some common spark plugs. They're cheap enough. I think this was only like $3.50 or so. And look at it. It's not charred. This is good news. And the numbers align, so I know it's the exact fit. And so we're going to basically pop that back in. Get rid of that. Pine needles are a huge pain at the end of each fall. I did a separate video, by the way, on should you rake or should you mow? What's more efficient? You can search my channel if you're interested. But here we go. We'll put the threaded side in first. Now you don't have to set the gap on this spark plug. It's already preset, which is nice. And then we tighten it up with the socket that we used to take it out earlier. And I just get it nice and snug. Don't overdo it or anything. Should be in there. And then just make sure there's nothing hanging out down there in terms of dirt or debris. And then you can pop that back on. Make sure it clicks. Snaps into place. And let's start it up and see if that did the trick. Yeah, that did the trick. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.